Hello everybody, it is Laura from IT Moon. Today we are going to show you what Calendly is and what pricing is right for you. So let's dive straight in. As you can see, here we have the calendar overview. So this is what my calendar at IT Moon looks like. I just wanted to explain certain parts so that you know what it is. So obviously we have my bio at the top, and then we have 4 events here. So each of these is called an event, and what happens is a customer can click in, depending what they're after, and book an appointment with me, and this is synced with my Google Calendar. So here we go, we can see on Friday I'm only available at 12:30. Next Monday on the 6th, I'm available at 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11, 11:30, because these are 30-minute slots that I've set. Additional to that, you can take payments with Calendly. So for my digital support assistants, if people go to book on it, it will automatically not just ask them for their name and email, but I've pre-populated some fields asking them some extra questions that I'd like to know before we have a meeting, and then it takes the payment by Stripe. So all this is fantastic for businesses, and it saves time messing around. If someone wanted to book me out, we would, God knows how many emails we would send to each other to try and find an appointment that suited best. Instead, I send them a link to my calendar, so I can send them one to just this specific one by just using that URL there, or I can send them one to my whole calendar, so calendly.com/itmoon, which will give them these 4 event options. Let's look at how much it costs. Come on guys, this is what makes people matter. So Calendly isn't very expensive. You do get a free trial for 14 days, so I would recommend trying it out. Maybe watch Er's next video, which will be about setting up your calendar so you can set the right events right to you, and that may help you. So you can pay monthly or annually. So me myself, I'm on the Pro plan, which I've paid annually, $12 US, not sure what that converts to in Great British pound. And then you've got the premium, which is $8 annually, and the basic, which is the free version. If you're paying monthly, you've got the free version, of course. It would work out at $10 a month instead of $8, and it would work out at $15 a month instead of $12 for the Pro plan. But what plan do you need? This is their big overview of all the different features, and I fully understand someone who's not a tech geek like me that it can be hard to understand. So I'm basically going to go through these, not all of them, but go through the ones you need to know about to make your decision on what plan is best for you. So at the very top here, we've got calendar connections per user. Whenever you're organizing your business, if you only use one calendar, so you've got a Google Calendar that you use and everything goes on that one calendar, good and dusted with basic. However, if you've got more than one calendar, so like me, I run 2 businesses. So I have a calendar for one business, I've got a calendar for another business, and say I was booked up at 10 o'clock on one of them, if I only had the basic plan, I would only be able to connect it to one calendar. Therefore, if I was showing 3 on that calendar, but actually I was busy with the other business, it would show me as 3. Therefore, I need to link both of my calendars into Calendly so that it can see when I'm free by looking at both calendars together. So that's what this means. Schedule unlimited events for everyone. So what your events are is basically these. So you can schedule unlimited events on Premium and Pro. By event type, what it means basically that you can only have one event that is 60 minutes long, etc. But you can have unlimited bookings. So you can have unlimited bookings, but only one event. So if you knew you only were offering a free discovery call, what you wanted to use this for, then you could do that for free. But like with me, I wanted to use it for different things. I needed more than one. The branding, so mine is all branded up as me. So when someone comes to book, it has got my logo on there, not the Calendly logo. And on the calendar itself, if you was on the basic version, it'd have a bit of a branding icon here. Now emails, so when someone books an appointment, a generic email would get sent out on the basic plan and a generic reminder. It basically says, hi, whatever their first name is, this is your event type, what the description was of the event, what time have they booked, and any link. But if you want to customize that like me, then you can pay for your version to get the customization. So I basically pay for mine so that I can basically decide on what I want to actually say to that customer and say it in my words. If you want to send out text reminders, then of course that's another thing that you need to look at. You can only get that on the professional plan. If you want to add any links to the event confirmation page, so it could be someone books on and you want to redirect them to your website in which they can download a handout so that they can go ahead, fill that in before they come to the meeting with you, then that's what you need. So you would need to pay for that. Colour customization, that basically means where you can colour customise what this looks like. So mine's blue, but you might want purple or anything like that. That's the colour customization on it. Now with Zapier, you normally would have to have a paid plan, but due to COVID-19, they're currently offering it part of the free plan until September 2020. So if this video, it's not gone past yet September, you've got it for free in all of the plans. But Zapier is a very powerful program which links things together. So let's go by an example. Say you have a CRM in active campaign, or you have a marketing email list and you want to integrate that with your calendar. So if someone books a meeting with me on my calendar, I want to also add them to my marketing email list so that I can market it to them, provided that in the description I have explained that this is what I will be doing. Obviously GDPR matters. And then the other main important part to know about is obviously payments. So I've integrated mine with Stripe. You can integrate it with PayPal as well. But if you want to take payments, you've got to have the top plan, sadly. But to me, that's worth it because I only need to take one booking and I've made my money back off of Calendly. So it's what suits you. Hopefully this helps you decide on what you need. In the next video on Calendly, we will be going through how to set up your calendar because it is very, very easy, and I know people get scared by tech, so we will show you how to set up a calendar. But hopefully for now that just gives you a bit of an overview on the pricing plan that is right for you. So please hit the subscribe button if you do like our videos, hit the like, and if you have got any feedback or any questions, drop them in the comments below. Have a lovely day everybody, and thank you for watching.